Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your Redmi 13. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media volume in the settings. You guys can also adjust the call volume, but it's only when you are in a call. So let me quickly unlock my phone. Here, let's go over to the settings and now scroll down until you guys see sound and vibration. Here, as you guys can see, we can change the media, ringtone and alarm volume, but we are interested in the media. Now, as you guys can see, my volume was pretty alright. And now, after that, what you guys can do is disable Do Not Disturb. So open up your control center. Now here, we have the D&D on the second slide for me. Now let's click it. As you guys can see, the Do Not Disturb is now enabled, but we need to disable it. Now after that, what you guys can do is try and clean the speaker and either the headphone port or the speaker to change the volume. So for example, when your speaker is filled with dust, then the volume will of course be lowered. Same goes for the headphone jack. Basically, when it's filled with dirt, then the connection may not be great, and even though it's connected, it can produce low volume instead of the normal one. So make sure to clean them, and after that, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So go to the settings, and here go to About Phone. Now click on the HyperOS right here, and as you guys can see, an update is available for me. And that's basically what you guys need to do. Just click download update, wait for it to download and extract, and you will be ready to go. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.